Local news for Wednesday, the 11th of March. Retaining the facade and strengthening the municipal buildings could cost up to $6.5 million or more. This is one of three major projects being consulted on that will impact rates as part of the Masterton District Council annual plan. Consultation on this and other projects like Hendy Lake and the skate park will be open for submissions soon. A few more extras are needed this weekend to take part in the filming of the movie Poppy. The movie, starring Ari Boyland, who's starred in Shortland Street, Go Girls and Power Rangers, is directed by Linda Nicol, and anyone keen can email poppymastertonextras@gmail.com. Last week, Susanna Shadbolt, director of Aratoi, received the exciting news that she had been accepted by the Museum Leadership Institute at Claremont Graduate University into the 2020 Executive Education Program for Museum Leaders. MLI offered her a scholarship of 90% of the fees, which has made it possible for her to attend. Congratulations, Susanna. And finally, pre-season rugby gets underway from this weekend. Friday night, Eketahuna will host Aotea, while Saturday sees games for Puketoi playing Porongahau at 2:30, while Gladstone will host Pioneer. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.